So let's talk about PolySwarm. Now, PolySwarm ICU is one of the ICUs you want to really pay attention to. Now, you can take it like PolySwarm is like the Bitcoin of antivirus. So you have Bitcoin, for example. There is a certain transaction, and then there are many nodes or computers that are competing to solve a particular problem. So that is what PolySwarm wants to do. Now, when you have a computer system, you have an antivirus. Now, the problems with today's antivirus is the issues of antivirus. You cannot have two antivirus in your system. You can install two antivirus, but they are not going to work together to discover threats. That is one of the problems with today's antivirus. Now, the second thing with today's antivirus is you have one program that is created and is being distributed all over the world. So you create one program and then you spread it all over the world. And then that problem with today's antivirus is the delay in bringing updates about different viruses. So before they could bring an antivirus or counter a virus, that program would have done a lot of stuff. So you see some of the other many problems that have been coming up. Viruses stealing away people information and the rest of them. So you might be asking, okay, what is PolySwarm seeking to do? PolySwarm has a network of people. Like you have hacking and then you have QuantStamp. Now hacking is a platform where you have hackers who will actually go through your program, maybe a smart contract, for example, and then discover if the smart contract has flaws in it. That is one of the things with hacking. It's different from this platform. And then you have QuantStamp. So QuantStamp is basically to ensure if the smart contract you are writing is actually safe and is very secure. But this one is different from PolySwarm. PolySwarm is a platform that is to secure your own system. So for example, you as a person, you connect, instead of having an antivirus on system, you simply plug it. You simply connect to the PolySwarm system and then you are being protected. So how will it work? There are different persons in the system who will be competing first to spot many of these antivirus. Secondly, they will be competing to fight against these platforms. So that's what PolySwarm wants to do. And you can go through the team, who is behind the team, where are they coming from. I don't want to make this video very, very long. So you can see some of the ICOs details and the rest of them. So in a nutshell, what are they seeking to do? They want to become a threat intelligence market. Not really a threat intelligence market. They want to be a platform for threat fighting and the rest of them. So guys, this is not a financial advice. Do your own research and have a very good day.